Hello again everyone. I've been having a lot of fun recently with my Canon EOS R5 camera, whose 45 megapixel sensor allows me to test Canon's RF lenses at a much higher resolution than I ever could before. So I'll be testing a few of Canon's lenses on this new sensor for you all, in case any of you are interested in how they perform when really challenged. Today I have the RF 35mm f1.8 IS STM Macro, one of my favourite lenses ever, although not one of the sharpest admittedly. If you'd like to see a full review of this lens, then take a look in the description below for a link. This is just a resolution test. Now at f1.8 in the middle of the image we see just an average level of sharpness and contrast here. It's okay, but nothing to write home about. The corner image quality is still looking quite ghostly really, although some detail is being captured. Stop down to f2.8 however for a major improvement in sharpness in those corners, and back in the middle we see awesome picture quality. f4 is absolutely perfect in the middle, and a little better again over in the corners, which stay this sharp down to about f11. So the lens is just okay at f1.8, but impressively sharp at f2.8, which is a conclusion you could probably draw if you'd watched my review of it on the Canon EOS R. But wait, this lens has a macro functionality, so let's see how well it works at close distances, seeing as it's the closest thing to a macro RF lens available at the moment. At f1.8, the close-up image quality is definitely on the soft side. f2.8 looks sharper and f4 looks excellent. The close-up image quality remains this sharp down to f11, but f16 will begin to look a little softer again due to those effects of diffraction which kick in when you're shooting at closer distances a little sooner. So once you stop down to about f4, the macro image quality of the lens is excellent, and most people stop their lens down to shoot macro anyway, so that's a fairly good result. Overall, I do wish this lens was sharper at f1.8. I don't feel confident shooting 8K video footage with it at f1.8, but I still love it really. It's such a fun little lens to use.